Hi everybody, it's BT with FXLiveDayTrading.com. Today I want to discuss the most simple way to approach Japanese candlesticks. Now, over here I have up a 4-hour chart, and if you can remember anything in trading candlesticks, and you can get in depth to this, I mean they sell books that are huge, very thick books with every kind of name and pattern that you can ever imagine. And some people get really into it. Myself, I like to put the price action as king, as you say. You know, the price action really is the driving factor for most of my trades. However, I do include many important indicators when I trade, and all of this is discussed in our Forex trading course as well as our Forex trading room. Now, today I just want to discuss a trade that we did take in the US session, and this is a Swiss yen trade. CHF/JPY, that is the symbol. Okay. Here is a beautiful candle. I always like to take notice of candles that have very, very long wicks. Now, it doesn't necessarily have to be a hammer. Many people, like to categorize certain candles. I take everything into consideration. Today, we had the Euro news, and the exit polls did show that Bersani was indeed leading. Okay, so Bersani / Monty would be the team that can definitely drive the euro dollar up. At least that's the sentiment. On the opposite end of the spectrum, we have Berlusconi. If he wins, that would be bearish for the euro dollar. So we had news come out, Bersani leading the exit polls. All of a sudden news comes out that that's not true. Berlusconi is actually leading in the polls. We saw a pretty big move up in the euro, and then we saw a pretty significant reversal. Now, the Swiss does trade along with the euro for the most part, but what I like about the Swiss yen rather than the euro yen is it does trade a little bit cleaner, where the euro yen has a lot more whipsaw, and this is a little bit slower and a little bit cleaner. So anyway, I chose this to get involved with the move down on the euro dollar, the euro in general. So our entry on this trade was in the 101.39, 101.40 area, give or take. We added a few, and then the exit was 100.60. Now that was our support level. But just going over the candle, this reversal candle on the 4-hour really caught my attention. As a result, we jumped to the 1-hour, and you'll see that we had some beautiful crossovers here on hour 5, on hour 20. I like to pay attention to those as well. And if you jump down, you go into 30, you're also seeing just a beautiful, nice move. Now, we're out of this trade, got out of it above our key level that we discussed explicitly in our Forex trading room in US session, and we basically exited right before this. Now, a second trade, and some members in the room did take the optional second trade to go ahead and enter on the break of this 150, and you would have seen that you would have gotten a nice 40 pip secondary trade on it. All right, that's it. I'm going to wrap it up. You can check us out at FXLiveDayTrading.com. We host every day, Monday through Friday, US session as well as Euro session. Check us out, FXLiveDayTrading.com. Have a great day.